Hello, friends. Water manifestation affirmation is a technique that involves using water as a medium to amplify the power of your intentions and affirmations. Water is considered a conductor of energy, and this technique leverages the idea that water molecules can be influenced by the energy of your thoughts and intentions. By infusing water with positive energy, and affirmations, you aim to create a potent tool for manifesting your desires. So, here's how to practice water manifestation affirmation. Choose your affirmation first. Select the positive affirmations that are aligned with your desires. These affirmations should be phrased in the present tense as if they are already true. For example, if your goal is to improve your health, your affirmation could be I am healthy and vibrant. Set clear intentions before you start. Take a moment to clarify your intention. Visualize your desire as if it's already happening with you. Feel the emotions associated with achieving your goal. This is the most important. In any manifestation method, the way you feel it is the most important. And for that, you can use your five senses. You use your ears, what all you're hearing while you have manifested your dream goal. What is that you're seeing while you have manifested your goal? What is that you're feeling? What's that good feeling when you have achieved your goal? And what is that you're able to smell in the environment when you have achieved your goal? So use your five senses to feel it fully, and that will help you to manifest your goals faster. Now, the main part of water manifestation. What is it? It's a glass of water. So you have to fill a glass of water or a container with clean, purified water. You can use tap water, but many people prefer to use filtered or spring water for a cleaner energy base, and thus you're going to drink it. Now, infuse the water. Hold the container of water in your hand. Focus on your intentions and affirmations. Feel the energy, your desires flowing from your heart and mind into the water. So, you have to put your affirmations, the energy into this glass of water. Okay. Now, imagine the water being charged with this positive energy. So, what all affirmations you are saying is being used to charge this particular glass of water. Now, repeat the affirmations with the water in your hand or as you gaze at it. Repeat your chosen affirmations out loud several times. Visualize the words merging with the water and becoming an integral part of it. So you have to visualize that what all affirmations you are putting into this water is being mixed, is being integrated into these water molecules, and you're giving lot and lot of positive energy into it. Now, drink this water. Consume the charged water mindfully, savoring each sip of it. So, you have to enjoy each and every sip. Take each sip mindfully. You have to think about those water molecules which have been positively charged, which is entering into your body while you are taking in this water. So, as you drink, imagine the positive energy of the affirmations entering your body, aligning your energy with your desires. Next is gratitude. Express gratitude for the water and the energy it carries. Feel thankful for the opportunity to align your intentions with this natural element. Revisit whenever needed. You can repeat this process as often as you like, whenever you need a boost of positivity and intention reinforcement. So there is no count how many times it needs to be done. Next, consistency and belief. See, consistency is important in this practice, not just in this practice, in every practice. Approach it with an open heart, strong belief, and positive intention. believe that the water is carrying your affirmation energy to manifest your desires. So, unless and until you believe it, it's not going to happen. It's your belief which is the most important. Your feelings, your emotions related to the desires, what all you're feeling, the happiness emotions which is coming up in you while you're doing this activity is very, very important. The concept of water manifestation works effectively due to the high water content in our bodies. Here, a more detailed explanation of this concept ties into the effectiveness of water manifestation, as well as how repeating affirmations while bathing and washing hands can also enhance this process. See, water as a conductor of energy. Our bodies are composed of a significant amount of water. I'm sure you would be knowing this that around 60 to 70% on an average, our body has water. Water molecules have been shown to have unique properties that allows them to be influenced by external energy and vibrations. So this is why water is often described as a conductor of energy. Just as sound waves can travel through water, it is believed that energy of thoughts and intentions can also imprint upon water molecules. So, if you believe everything is energy, and it's a fact that everything is energy, so the energy of our intentions can pass through water molecules. Positive energy infusion. When you engage in water manifestation, you are essentially infusing water with positive energy by repeating affirmations and holding clear intentions while focusing on the water. You are directing your thoughts and emotions into the water. This process is believed to create a vibrational imprint within the water that carries the energy of your intentions. So, what is the influence of this on the body? When you consume or interact with water that has been charged with positive energy, it's thought that this energy can resonate with the water molecules within your body. This resonant energy has the potential to influence your own energy, thoughts, and emotions. When you drink or use charged water, you are essentially introducing an external source of positive energy that can harmonize with your internal energy. Thus, bathing and hand washing rituals. The act of bathing and washing hands is common, right? It's a daily ritual that everyone does. Water has cleansing and refreshing properties, but physically and metamorphically, it has this. When you repeat affirmations while engaging in these rituals, you are combining the cleansing power of water with the power of intention and affirmation. In summary, the concept of water manifestation is rooted in the understanding of water as a conductor of energy, combined with the power of positive intentions and affirmations. When you engage in practices that involve water, you are utilizing the unique properties of water to amplify the energy of your thoughts and intentions. Whether it's through charging water with affirmations, bathing, or hand washing, you're creating a harmonious connection between your intention and the elemental energy of water, ultimately influencing your own energy and beliefs. So, while you are doing water manifestation, believe in it and you will achieve all your goals, whatever you want to manifest. Most importantly, remember to put in your emotions and feelings and enjoy the process. So, thank you so much.